Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Minty Dev. By the way, before I start this video, I'm gonna try a new thing. I'm gonna try and make a video on something every week. So, yeah. But anyways, we're just trying to show off my stock thing. So it basically uses Yahoo Finance to request data on stocks, and it's currently keeping track of only SPY. So I guess that's pretty cool. And then I have this get stock data. So I'll show you a little demonstration. So what I can do is I can get stock and I can do list. Now it'll show you, this is like all the data I have right now. There's gonna be a lot more though, because this is only test data. So yeah, and it's gonna be implemented in this kind of interface. So let me show you. Gonna have to give me a second. So copy project path. Nope. I meant to copy full path. So like this, it's gonna look like this, and then gonna be able to do this. So this will be done automatically, but I'll just do it for now. So really gonna have to check this for a second. Alright, so I'm gonna show you this. Set arrow value, and it's gonna run on document.getMobileID, and it's gonna have up or down. So what is this? I'm gonna copy that. So it's messed up. Oops. Yep, that was a fail. Yeah, I need this, and then need to get that. I see. Okay, sorry, that was a fail. So I'm gonna have to write much more code. So document like this, and watch it work now. Yeah, this isn't really scripted or anything. I'm just showing this off. So as you can see, turned green and the arrow's pointing up. So, and then if I put down here, it should change it to red and pointing down, like that. And then there's going to be a lot more data. But yeah, that's pretty much how it's going to work. And I've implemented this really simplistic thing so that you can set stuff, like for example, let me find this. Like you can get data, so you can get data for like a date. Yeah, you have to specify a date. So action select, and then you can do it like this. This is how you would query it for today's date. July, which is 7/13. So let's see what happens like this. It'll return the same amount of things because all the test data is from today. As you can see, it'll tell you that just date. But as you can tell, it looks kind of similar to JavaScript, and that's the point. This is JSON. So let me show you. I can do this. So I just copied the data and let's say var t equals bam, and then we can do t dot results, and then it's an array. So basically we can get the 0th result and we can look what is our, and this is ordered. It's actually ordered from the most recent. So this is the most recent query. Actually, maybe it's not. Let me check. You know, if my instincts are right, it's the exact opposite. Let me check. So, let's see here. List or by... Well, I don't know. Maybe it's... That's definitely not the latest. I'm almost certain it's not. See, right here. That's later. But that's also the last one. Yeah, it's the opposite way around. Well, that's the problem when you convert to JSON from PHP to JavaScript, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, and I'll tell you these 3 things, and basically my goal is I'm gonna make a historical database of stuff. So you can get the date, the last trade, the opening one, the close one, price close, and volume. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But this is going to be free to use API. I don't really care who uses it. And I'm going to build my application around this. So I think, this is it. And as you can see, there's no login data for the SQL. I just removed that for this video just because I didn't want that to be shown. But yeah, so if you go to my website, PhDInComputing/stocks, and I'm thinking about changing this. I don't like that. PhD in computing, that sounds dumb. Makes me sound, I don't know, dumb or something, I don't know. But I'm thinking about changing that. But anyways, if you do get stockdata.php, yeah, and don't go to get stocks, because what will happen is it'll make a new entry, and that's kind of annoying. Though I'll fix that so that only certain things can trigger it. And yeah, by the way, this updates. If you want to know the update rate, it's actually it's updating every, let's see here, every 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes from 8 to 5 or something like that, when the stocks are open, basically. So also, I'm going to show you one more trick. So if you want to get, for example, you want to get the most recent one, all you have to do action, and then you have to do, then you also have to do this mode thing. So, and mode equals lock, I think that's how you do it. If it's not, see, this will send the most recent one. You can even put 0, but yeah, you can't do -1, by the way. It'll fix it to 0. 0 is the minimum. So yeah, you can go, and 2 will be the second most recent. So as you can see, this one is at 6 p.m. and this one is at 8 p.m. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. So you can, that's how I'll get that little update thing with the UI thing. And I think that's it. That's really all she wrote. Pretty interesting anyways. I like that a lot. I like how this is working. And oh yeah, I forgot to show you. This is what happens if there's an error. It'll just say error true. And if you parse that with your JavaScript, all you have to do is check like this. So let's say where t equals this thing. But if we defined it, so like you would do if t dot error, if not so it won't say anything, but if error doesn't exist, which it doesn't, if there's none, it'll say A. So that's how that works. So like if you do this, if you just check for your object.error, it should work. And make sure to add this not. Because if you do this, it won't work, watch. That won't work. Just do not error. It's pretty simple. I think that's it. Took a decent amount of time. I hope this video isn't like long or something. Talking a little quiet because it's pretty late right now. It's actually, wonder if there's time. Yep. It is correct. It is 11 p.m. 11:06 p.m. Yep. Well, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I'm Minty and I'm out.